Salt, the facts. Find out the daily salt recommendations for adults, children, and babies, and learn how to use nutrition labels to spot the salt in food. A diet high in salt can cause raised blood pressure, which can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. High blood pressure often has no symptoms, and many people who have high blood pressure do not know it. How much salt? Adults should eat no more than 6 grams of salt a day, 2.4 grams sodium, that's around 1 teaspoon. Children aged 1 to 3 years should eat no more than 2 grams salt a day, 0.8 grams sodium. 4 to 6 years should eat no more than 3 grams salt a day, 1.2 grams sodium. 7 to 10 years should eat no more than 5 grams salt a day, 2 grams sodium. 11 years and over should eat no more than 6 grams salt a day, 2.4 grams sodium. Babies should not eat much salt, because their kidneys are not fully developed to process it. Babies under 1 year old should have less than 1 gram of salt a day. If a baby is breastfed, they will get the right amount of minerals, including sodium and chloride, from breast milk. Formula milk contains a similar amount of minerals to breast milk. Do not add salt to your baby's milk or food, and do not use stock cubes or gravy, as they're often high in salt and their kidneys cannot cope with it. Remember this when you're cooking for the family if you plan to give the same food to your baby. Avoid giving your baby processed foods such as ready meals, as these are often high in salt. Food manufactured specifically for babies should meet the recommended levels. If in doubt, always check the label. Salt or sodium. Some food labels may only state the sodium content. Do not confuse salt and sodium figures. To convert sodium to salt, you need to multiply the sodium amount by 2.5. For example, 1 gram of sodium per 100 grams is 2.5 grams of salt per 100 grams. Adults should eat no more than 2.4 grams of sodium per day, as this is equal to 6 grams of salt. Check salt on labels. Look out for the salt content in the everyday foods you buy, and choose lower salt options. Nutrition labels on food packaging now make this a lot easier. Most pre-packed foods have a nutrition label on the back or side of the packaging. Many foods also display information about the salt content on the front of the packaging. This may show the salt content as a percentage of your reference intake, RI, or have color-coded nutrition information to show whether the salt content is green, low, amber, medium, red, high. Try to eat high salt foods only occasionally, or in small amounts, and aim to mainly eat foods that are green or amber. Foods that contain salt. Some foods are almost always high in salt because of the way they are made. Other foods, such as bread and breakfast cereals, can contribute a lot of salt to our diet. But that's not because these foods are always high in salt, it's because we eat a lot of them. High salt foods. The following foods are almost always high in salt. To cut down on salt, eat them less often and have smaller amounts. Anchovies, bacon, cheese, gravy granules, ham, olives, pickles, prawns, salami, salted and dry roasted nuts, salt fish, smoked meat and fish, soy sauce, stock cubes, yeast extract. Foods that can be high in salt. In the following foods, the salt content can vary widely between different brands or varieties. That means you can cut down on salt by comparing brands and choosing the one that is lower in salt. Nutrition labels can help you do this. Bread products such as crumpets, bagels, and ciabatta. Pasta sauces. Crisps. Pizza. Ready meals. Soup. Sandwiches. Sausages. Tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, and other sauces. Breakfast cereals. Soluble vitamin supplements and painkillers. If you routinely take an effervescent, dissolvable, vitamin supplement, or take effervescent painkillers when necessary, it's worth remembering that these can contain up to 1 gram salt per tablet. You may therefore wish to consider changing to a non-effervescent tablet, particularly if you have been advised to watch or reduce your salt intake.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and click on the subscribe button for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and click on the subscribe button for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and click on the subscribe button for more amazing videos.